How to make an avatar of your account, Instagram account, of course. Today, guys, I will show you how to make an avatar of your Instagram account. Just watch the video until the end. You open your Instagram application, then you go down and you open your profile. Then you go to this three line and click. Then you go to settings, and then you go to account, and you will find here avatar. You click, and then you will here like choose the outfit. For example, outfit like this. You choose, for example, the mustache. For example, I have a mustache like this, and a lot of things like this. And then I click down, and then I will click save change. And now, guys, I have an avatar. As you see, I click next, and then I will click sync profile info. So now, guys, I have an avatar of my account Instagram, and that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next.